Hey guys, welcome to my video. So once again, I have brought a new case study for you, and this one is actually very interesting because the kind of results we achieved in a very short period of time. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we generated 148 dental leads at an average cost of just 6.43 bucks. And this too in high ticket services like implants and extractions. Now, before you think this is something unusual or luck based, let me walk you through what actually happened behind the scenes and how we made this work step by step. So, over a short period, we spent around 951 bucks and generated a total of about 148 leads, which brought our average cost per lead down to just 6.43 bucks. And if you understand like how dental practices work, even a small percentage of conversions from these leads can generate a significant return, especially when we are talking about treatments like implants. What is even more interesting is how these results came in. Like one of our campaigns focused on extractions alone generated 76 leads at just 4.90 bucks per lead, while another campaign for full arc implants brought in 71 leads at around 7.71 bucks per lead, which is still extremely strong considering the value of each case. Now, the important part here is that not everything worked perfectly from the start. We also tested another campaign that didn't work well, but instead of continuing to spend money on it, we quickly analyzed the data, paused it, and shifted the budget towards the campaigns that were actually generating results. And that is where most people go wrong. They either don't test enough or they don't optimize based on data. And the reason that these campaigns worked well because we focused on high intent treatments, targeted the right local audience, and used simple, clear messaging that directly speaks to people who are already looking for a solution. So there was no complicated funnel or fancy creatives, just the right strategy executed properly. Now, if you are a dentist watching this, chances are you are either struggling to get consistent leads, or your current leads are too expensive, or they are not converting into actual patients. And that is exactly the problem we solve. So, if you want similar results for your clinic where you are getting consistent and high quality patient inquiries every single month, then you can simply book a call with me. We will take a look at your current marketing and guide you on what needs to be improved. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about running ads, it's just about building a system that brings you patients consistently without uncertainty. Thanks for watching.